Hi everyone, my name is Ralph George. I'm the creator of SmileFy, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create several mockups from the first initial 3D design so that we can offer our patients several mockup designs. It is very convenient not to redesign the full case from the beginning, but just exchanging the templates, doing the small corrections, and then creating a second version of the design of the mockup. So I'm gonna reduce now the opacity so that we can see the first version of our mockup. We do have here several generated objects. That's the first version of our mockup. The shapes are JCP, that's the shapes that we have used. And now we're gonna change the design and create a second mockup. We go to the templates and we select from the list maybe F31. So as you can see, the template is perfectly adjusted, size, rotation, position. So we just need to select a different template and we can recreate the design with different templates. We are gonna select now eventually different canines and also the laterals. So I think J01 can be a good selection. I like how the canine looks like, and we're gonna select also the laterals. With the mesh editor, we are gonna now adjust all the details for the mockup. Means we're gonna correct the gingival margins of the left central, and we're gonna delete everything in the palatal area. We select the maxilla and the upper design. To save memory, we load into the mesh editor only the layers that we need. With the inflate brush, we adjust the gingival margins of the left central, and now we delete everything from the palatal area. We apply our changes to the design. We can turn the light and the texture of the teeth, the light reflections and the texture of the teeth. That's the 3D rendering. It looks good. And now let's create a mockup. Going to the advanced option, CAD features and mockup uppers. Now we calculate and we generate the second model. And here we go. We can go to our design and 3D layers section. We reduce the opacity for all layers, and now we have mockup 2 or mockup 1, the first one, and we do have the second version of our mockup, as you can see, using different templates, different shapes. And now we can compare mockup 1 JCP templates and mockup 3 J01, and I think it was the F31 centrals. You can export now 2 versions of your design, print and offer your patient, of course, 2 versions of the design, 2 versions of the mockup, and then see in the person which design has more energy, it's more in harmony with the face, And of course, based on patients' feedback, you can select and choose the design. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to showing you more new features.